It's Monday and many of you have just returned back from a long holiday stretch. Welcome back. If that applies to you, you've walked right back into a very typical weather pattern across the country. A few high-felt thunderstorms at the moment. We'll leave that in the forecast for the next 3 to 6 hours from Mahikeng into Johannesburg, Bethlehem, Ladysmith, as well as the northern interior of the Eastern Cape. Just light rain expected overnight along the southeast coast, perhaps stretching into Port Elizabeth and George. Otherwise, fine and dry from Bloemfontein to the west coast, including Cape Town. What about the next 24 hours? Just a reminder, the isolated thunderstorms, especially over the northern high-felt regions, we'll leave that in your forecast for Tuesday afternoon and evening as well. Otherwise, light rain possible from George to PE as well as East London this Tuesday. Fine and dry conditions along the west coast, stretching into the southwestern Cape Peninsula, and hot temperatures forecast into KwaZulu-Natal. Wait till you see these daytime highs into Pietermaritzburg, and once you factor in the humidity, it will be a rather uncomfortable day. Even hot temperatures stretching into Gauteng this Tuesday. Our chances of rain tonight look like this: up to a 40% probability across the central and western sections of Limpopo, much of the northwest, Gauteng, the Highveld of Mpumalanga, the eastern sections of the Free State, all of KwaZulu-Natal, and the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape. Otherwise, dry conditions expected overnight from the western Free State all the way to the west coast. Our Metro Vision brings us into the City of Gold. Partly cloudy skies overnight. Temperatures cooling to about 17. Maybe that passing thunderstorm, so be prepared as you commute home this evening. 30 degrees for your daytime high on Tuesday. Isolated showers and thunderstorms. Now, our Windstream map isn't all that exciting. A very tranquil weather pattern in place across South Africa, so that means basically light and variable winds, with the exception of the high ground of the Eastern Cape, maybe perhaps a moderate to fresh northwester. And we are predicting a southwester into Cape Town between 10 and 20 kilometers per hour. Temperatures overnight dropping into the middle and upper teens across the interior, lower and middle 20s along the east coast, 17 overnight for Cape Town. Daytime highs, as I've already mentioned, will be very hot. Look at Pietermaritzburg, 37, Durban at 32, lower 30s into Gauteng, 35 degrees for Bloemfontein, 37 for Kimberley. Compare that to 22 for George, where we're expecting cloud and perhaps a passing shower. A shower or two to cool you down into Cape Town on Wednesday. Maybe a thunderstorm into Durban. Isolated late-day thunderstorms into Gauteng by Thursday. More the same, but our chance of rain shifts along the east coast into Richards Bay.